Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix YouTube app not working or stuck on loading. No more lengthy introductions, let's get started. Method 1. Check date time on your device. Check if the date and time on your device is correct with the current date and time. Better yet, you should set it to automatic. For do it on Apple device, go to Settings, select General, select Date and Time, set automatically on. On Android device, go to Settings. Select General Management. Select Date and Time. Set automatic date and time on. Set automatic time zone on. Finally, open YouTube app and check if C problem is fixed. Method 2. Check for update app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the YouTube app. On Apple device, go to Apple Store. Select the account in the top right. Select Update All. On Android device, go to Google Play Store. Select the account in the top right. Select Manage Apps and Device. On Update Available, select Update All. Once the update is done, reopen YouTube app and check if C problem is fixed. Method 3. Restart your device. This is the simplest way that can fix most errors on any device. You should try it before proceeding with more complicated methods. Method 4. Clear app cache and app data. Go to Settings. Select Apps. Scroll down and find YouTube app. Select YouTube app. Select Force Stop. Select Storage. Now, choose Clear Cache, then go back YouTube app and check if C problem is fixed. If not, go back and choose Clear Data. One more time, restart your device and reopen YouTube app and C problem is fixed. If none of the previous methods work, it's time to uninstall and reinstall YouTube app.